Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my friend. Today I'm making a biryani. It's a different biryani, and a lot of people they say it's very hard to make biryani because it's got a lot of stuff in there. It's especially the European people or non-Asian people, and it's very difficult. And they say we bought a biryani paste, a ready-made one, and we made in there, but the taste wasn't that nice. So I was looking for making a very simple to make it for everyone. People who don't know about the Asian food, they can make it as well. So I'm using some ready-made spices for them. So it's easy for them to just get the ready-made spices and mix it together. And just I'm gonna tell you it's a process, but it will be good, really nice. So before I start, I will tell you my ingredient, what I'm gonna use in there today. So my biryani, I'm using a lamb. It's a 2 kg lamb, and it's a mixed lamb. And the rice I'm using for this is a golden sailor rice, and basmati golden sailor rice. And before you cook this rice, boil this rice, you keep this in the water for about 2 hours, and it will come very nice. Potato I'm using, and this is my garden potato. This is small baby potato, and onion I'm using. This is okay. When you go in shop, you can get this Sindhi biryani and Karachi biryani. I'm using this mix already ready-made Sindhi biryani and Karachi biryani. I'm gonna mix this together. So it's salt, this garlic and ginger. I'm using green onion. I'm gonna use tomatoes, already blind, slightly blind, and using green chili. Okay, I'm using this lemon. I'm gonna make a slice. I'm gonna do slice, and I'm gonna use some oil. So shall we start now? All right, guys. I'm gonna put some oil in there first. And it's depend on you, if you don't mind much oil in there. Some people don't like oil, but when you finish a biryani, you need oil in there as well, so you can mix it nice. So when you get oil get warm up, I'm gonna put onion in there. But it's a 4 onion. I already cut this because it saves time. The onion, it make a masala for biryani. Okay, I'm gonna leave the onion to get brown. It's gonna take time. So when it get brown, then I'm gonna put other masalas in there, and see, it will be very easy. So you don't have to buy a paste. You can get this masala anywhere in European country. Wherever you go in European country, you can buy this masala. So, but it will be a better taste for other masala, because I can use my masala, and then again same is gonna happen, that people gonna say, oh, it's too much, to follow, You can do it, but it's easy way. So it's no, you don't need mixing measurement for spices. Yeah. So okay, I'm gonna leave this for get it brown. Okay, guys, this is onion is gone light brown. You can see it. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna put garlic and ginger in there. Then it's garlic. Thing is 2 spoons garlic, and then ginger. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix this, and then I'm gonna put meat in there. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna seal it, this meat. I'm gonna cook a little bit this meat in there, so it will get sealed. Not much. Okay, I'm gonna put some salt in there. It's about 2 spoons salt. And I'm gonna put Karachi biryani masala. You can get it from any shops. About 4 spoons. And Sindhi masala I'm using it, and this is about 4 spoons as well. So I'm gonna save some Sindhi masala for later on. And now I'm gonna mix it and cook in this masala, this meat. See, this is easy. Alright guys, now masala is fried nicely with the meat. So I'm gonna, on this stage, I'm gonna add tomatoes in there. This is about 8 tomatoes, medium size. Again, this tomato and onion is gonna make a gravy for biryani. I'm gonna mix this together. You know, already it smell is very nice. Alright guys, now I'm gonna let the tomatoes cook in a masala spices. So, and later on I'm gonna put some water in there to the meat to get tender, and all the spices to get cooked nice. Okay, friend, we're gonna check what happened. Okay, it's cooked nicely with masala. So on this stage, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna add some water to get our meat to get tender, yeah. So I'm putting just about half a pint. So if we need water later on, we will put later on. But we don't want to put too much water, and then your gravy will become watery. Yeah. So we will see later on what's happened. And let's see what's happening here. It's lamb is nearly cooked, and just check how tender is it. If you think it's tender enough, so it's okay. But if you think it's not tender, so you put some bit more water in there until it get tender. So and the other side I put rice for boiling. So I'm gonna add some salt in there, about 2 spoons salt, and I'm gonna put some oil in there so the rice won't get stick each other. Alright guys, see, now it's meat is ready. Okay, so what I'm gonna put some, in this stage I'm gonna put some lemon sliced. And now I'm gonna put some potato. We will cook quickly. And I'm gonna put some kevra in there. Okay, so we're gonna leave it a few minutes to potato to cook. Okay guys, now it's nearly ready, and now I'm gonna put few things in there which is optional, but it's make your biryani is so tasty, it's unbelievable. So first things, I'm gonna put vinegar. It's about 1.5 spoon vinegar. The soya sauce, 1 spoon soya sauce, and a bunch of coriander. I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna put some green onion. Okay. This mint I'm gonna put few leaves. This is fresh mint from my garden. Mix this all together. Now I'm gonna put some tomatoes in there, a sliced tomato in the end. Okay, and mix it, and I'm gonna put some green chili. It's a big green chili. I'm gonna put some green chili, whole green chili. It's not spicy, this green chili, but it will give you a good flavor. This will be about 6. You can see already it looks so nice, yeah, and believe its taste, smell is so nice. I wish you guys here to taste my biryani masala. Alright guys, I drained water from the rice, so now is curry. Guys, this rice is ready, and my biryani sauce is ready, and this I'm gonna put this top of them. Some people they make a layer, but it's hard to make a layer for people that didn't know about the biryani, how to make biryani, so it's be hard for them. Yeah. So I'm just showing you easy way to do it. You can do this way as well. Okay, guys, I like coloring in there, but it's optional. If you want to coloring, you can put color, will look nice. I mix color powdering with lemon juice and green onion. I'm gonna sprinkle on there. Okay guys, I'll put this for very low heat for 10-15 minutes, so it will be ready in 10-15 minutes. Alright, everything. So we'll see you when my biryani is ready. So friend, this my biryani is ready. It's very delicious, and if you like it, so thumbs up my video and share with your friend. But I wish you guys here. It's very nice and very delicious. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe. You will get this different recipe every week, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. If you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.